Gator.
Wow, that's a big one.
I think those are bears.
You said you wanted to walk down there.
Cheers.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within, calling this heavy load got under your skin, hauling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right. Moments pass, make this one count. Untied, you're so good.
Hey guys, Tanya and David, and we're out side by side.
This weekend we are at one of our favorite parks, just camping. We just want to show you our day in the life and hope that this encourages you to go camping and enjoy the outdoors.
It's time for us to spray the chains on our e-bikes. They're getting a little rusty.
So our neighbors brought us back this amazing wine that we cannot wait to try. And it is actually from France in the Medoc region, which is located on the left bank of the Bordeaux region. Thank you so much, Albert and Elsa. We so appreciate all the wonderful things you bring back to us from France.
Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors.
Cheers. Very good. Thank you, guys. Amazing.
Yes, I'll have another. Don't mind if I do. Fill it to the rim. Bon appetit. I love pasta.
Such a beautiful weekend. There's something about RV life that naturally slows everything down. Your home is always with you, so even when the weather doesn't cooperate, you're still comfortable, still grounded. We've learned that we don't need a lot to feel content, just time, space, good food, and a change of pace. Back home, life sometimes feels rushed, like we're constantly trying to keep up. Out here, especially on a rainy weekend, that pressure fades. You're not trying to control the day, you're just living in it. guys, we always say this, but get out in nature. It's so relaxing. We are here this weekend at one of our favorite parks, and it takes you away from the grind and the hustle and bustle.
And we're enjoying this spring weather right now in Texas, which is amazing. We are expecting some rain this weekend, and out here at Brazos Bend, it desperately needs it. We haven't seen it this low ever.
And we like camping in the rain just as much because it's so cozy. You can just sit out on your porch, watch the rain.
Yep.
And it's so relaxing.
Texas is in desperate need of some rain right now. A lot of the Texas lakes are really suffering. Just pray for rain because it's important. It's not only do the cities depend on it for water, but also, of course, the wildlife and the fish and the game, and it's all very important. So we'll see. Keep your fingers crossed this year, and we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hope you guys slept well. It's Saturday morning. We're going to enjoy this beautiful Saturday morning, and we will see you at breakfast. Look at this tree. It looks like a profile. Look. The lips, the nose, and he's got a long nose and the eyes. Isn't that funny? Smell that, babe.
Oh, that's so fresh and amazing from our own garden.
It's amazing. For breakfast, we're gonna have a veggie mushroom scramble, and it's gonna be amazing.
Can't wait.
These are called sumo oranges, and they are so good. They're So sweet.
It's time for us to go for a walk.
Cute little camper. That is so cute. Ready to go for a walk?
I'm ready.
Look at these trees. This is why we love Brazos Bend State Park.
Sorry, home away from home.
Home away from home, right? So beautiful. Be careful of alligators.
Nice breeze.
So pretty.
Sun is fixing to set.
What is your favorite park? We're in Texas, so we have a lot of state parks that are just all so different and beautiful. We just love the Texas state parks. Where? Where? Oh, I see that, yeah. I think we spotted an alligator. They're everywhere. Wow, the water's clear.
So I think that we saw 5 alligators in one spot. So that's the first time that's happened.
Yeah, that's the
That was
first time we've
pretty
seen that
neat.
many. Look at the trees out here. Incredible. Uh-huh.
Here, that's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
It's like 2 trees and then this one.
Uh-huh.
See it?
It's amazing. It's split at the bottom.
So this is a vine right here, and it's actually climbing up on these trees, and it's really hard on the trees because the vines can take over the canopy and choke out the trees and kill them.
Look at that.
So they're, if you look up here, you can see these vines, all these stringy things, and they just keep going to the tops.
And they're so
And
wide.
they compete for light.
Yeah.
And they use the tree as a structure, and it's actually causes a lot of these trees to die. It suffocates them.
You know, we don't use a lot of equipment to film. We get a lot of those questions on what do we use to film, and we've always kind of used GoPro and iPhone, and then iPhone 17 Pro Max that's out, we got those phones, and they are incredible to film with. Yeah, it's really been a game changer for us.
There's some deer
We saw
back there
deer.
somewhere. They have orange feet and an orange beak. There's one right there.
Oh yeah, there's a big mosquito.
Mexican whistler.
Uh-huh.
Watch them land. They usually hang out together, so if you see one, you'll see another one come
There
down.
they are.
That's why you got to have decoys. Out here at Brazos Bend, there's lots of birds, lots of waterfowl. You know, it's kind of like when you're duck hunting. You put your decoys out, and the ducks fly by and they're like, oh, that looks like a party down there. Let's go check it out. There might be some girls. There might be some food going on. And, you know, as they come down and you just tear them up with the shotguns.
Oh, I'm not a hunter, so there's another
A cardinal?
cardinal, yes.
How do you flip this
We
son
have to
bitch?
turn it off first.
What?
Yes. That's beautiful, look. Wow, that's beautiful.
Gator check. You always have to do a gator check out here. We just saw 5 in one spot.
Yep.
The gators just swim up and look for the birds.
There they are. It's just full of nature. Just full of beautiful nature. Look at that sunset. It's so pretty. Just take a listen. Just take a listen. There's a frog.
Bullfrog.
Can you hear it? This is why we do what we do.
All right, guys, listen up. I think they have some bullfrogs out here. Wise.
Look how beautiful the moss is. I didn't know you could do that.
There's the Harvey, I believe it's Harvey flood level right here. And that was September 17. Oh, 89 foot.
Yeah, 89 feet.
Yeah, 92.
So that gives you a perspective of the bottom to how high it was. Very high. We're gonna climb the tower.
You see it? I think those are bears. No. You see? You wanted to walk down there.
Oh, I
was gonna
see.
walk that way.
Are you talking about these? Oh, they're hogs.
They're hogs? Oh,
Hogs, yes.
boy. I was like, that's a
You
bear.
scared me.
You gotta go.
They're hogs. Yeah.
There's a lot of them.
Yeah, don't
You
go-
two enjoy.
Don't be swimming.
Look at the baby.
Gator, gator, gator. Gator.
The little baby. Look at the pink sky. It's beautiful. Look at the beautiful sky.
Get all the way back over here, we might catch that same sunset.
Yes. Okay. Guy that was up in the tower, he's like, "There's bears!" And I'm like, "Really?" Because we were watching a show last night about a guy being attacked by a bear. And so when I went to bed last night, that's all I was thinking about was bears. And so when he said that, I was like, "There's bears," knowing there's not bears in Texas.
Oh, Big Bend has some bears.
Well, yeah, Big Bend has bears, but not around here.
And mountain lions. It turned out to be some hogs.
Yeah, it was hogs, which we've had hogs come in front of us while we were biking, and it's pretty scary. Especially this time of evening. It is 8 o'clock, so the hogs will come out. So we're gonna hook it back to the truck.
You can see the sunset.
Look how pretty it is.
This is a love song. Despite what you think, no matter what happens tomorrow, I just wanted to tell you one thing.
All right, guys, we're gonna get in, get settled, and we will see you in the morning.
Good night.
I'll never, ever give up. Never, ever, my love. I may fail a million times, but I'm stubborn as and I'll never, ever give up on you. Meet me in the garden.
Let's go on a bike ride.
Where the wildflowers bloom. Forever, trust me, my darling, as I sing you this song. And I'll never, ever give up.
It's supposed to rain today, so we're gonna go on a quick bike ride and we'll take you along.
Never, ever, my love. I may fail a million times, but I'm stubborn and I'll never, ever give up on you, my love, on you, my love, on you, my love, on you, my love.
Gator.
Ooh, wow. That's a big one. That is insane.
So apparently, bullfrogs don't have sex. The females lay a bunch of eggs in the water, and the male comes and sprays sperm all over them. And then the eggs become tadpoles. And then the tadpoles become baby frogs. And then they get eaten by fish. So it's kind of a boring life because they don't get to have sex.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be
The rain's
myself,
coming.
or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks.
Hope you're having a
Gonna
good
make
Saturday.
mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
What are you doing, babe?
You want a Bloody Mary?
That would be nice.
We're gonna make Bloody Marys and drink little drinky drinks again.
Yes.
We've got some Tito's and we have a Bloody Mary mix I've never tried. We have a new Bloody Mary mix called Stonewall Kitchen. I don't know if any of you have tried this, but if you have, let us know what you think. It's gluten-free and non-GMO, so that's good.
And where did you get that at?
I got this at Specs.
Okay.
Yeah, I wanted to try something different. We usually get Zing Zang. We love Bloody Marys. So we'll let you know how it is. We have our olives and we have
Okra.
We're gonna put a little bit of mild banana pepper juice just for a little. We've got some Tito's. Put a little bit of Tito's. I don't like a lot. I'm not a big drinker at all.
She's a lush. She just doesn't want you to know about it. She's a professional.
I'm a weakling, actually.
She's a professional alcoholic.
I like a little drinky drink every now and then, but I can't handle very much alcohol. Alright. This is very tomato-y. Looks amazing though. Let's see how this is. Olives are like the whole, it's like a meal in itself. Really.
Are you going to put some fried chicken in there?
No. I could.
Yeah.
But we're not doing that today. Okay. Got one?
Yes.
Try it.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's very good.
Very good.
Wow, it's spicy, tangy.
It tastes like cocktail
Yeah, it's
sauce.
kind of like cocktail sauce, but very good, and it's spicy, and it has all the horseradish that you need.
Yes. Nice.
Stonewall Kitchen. Highly recommend.
We're going to get fucked up.
No. But we are going to go sit on the porch and enjoy our time here at Brazos Bend relaxing.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive.
All right, I'm gonna start dinner, and these are our favorite chicken. I don't know if you guys have tried these, but they're absolutely amazing. They're actually high protein, 23 grams of protein per serving, so that's another great thing. 4 grams of carbs, gluten-free, nothing artificial. But we're gonna have chicken tacos tonight, and I'm gonna put the real chicken in the oven. I don't have my air fryer like I thought I did. I usually put these in the air fryer, but I'm gonna put them in the oven today. I'm gonna spray my pan with a little oil. David and I will eat a couple of tacos a piece, so we don't need much for this meal. And these are the strips. They also come in nuggets, patties, whatever your heart's desire, for 20 minutes. I'm also going to use my Mixla tortillas. These are the best. They're from H-E-B. If you have an H-E-B nearby, highly recommend them. We have an entire full hydroponic system at our house, and I picked some of the greens that were ready, and this is all from our hydroponic system. I also have a pepper. This is a poblano pepper that I'm gonna put in the oven as well. And this is fresh, guys. And if you have a hydroponic system, your greens grow really easy and well. And we're gonna use our greens for the tacos, the chicken tacos. I've made this before. It's like a chicken Caesar taco that I've made before with chicken, crock pot chicken, but we're gonna try it a little bit different this time. Tastes delicious and works very well, especially when you're camping because it's easy. This is my favorite. It's cilantro cotija from HEB, but I only have a little bit of this left, and I just put it in the greens. And what I'm gonna do is use the blackened ranch from Popeyes. This is so good, guys, and if you are looking for a good ranch, I highly recommend it. Of course, I'm gonna add some mild banana peppers because you can't go wrong with banana peppers. I don't have any peppers, but I have the juice. This is my daughter, Briley. Hi. Hi. She's FaceTiming me for a second.
So what are y'all up to?
We're just hanging out and camping. We
Nice.
talk like this to each other. I don't know why. We just do it.
Because we're Texas
We're
women.
texting and we just talk like this.
Yep.
What are you doing?
Getting ready to go on date night.
You going to Lazy Dog?
Lazy dog.
Or are you going to Corny Dog?
Corny dog.
That's an inside joke. You have a good day?
We did. It rained over here.
It's raining here. It's nice.
It was nice, and then I was
Yeah.
cleaning.
Clean.
So.
It's good.
Yep.
Alright, well, y'all enjoy going to Corny Dog.
We will. Well,
Alright. What?
Y'all enjoy.
Thanks. Alright.
Alright.
I love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye. That's so funny.
We just talk like that. Just, I don't know. We just do. It's funny. But yes, that's my daughter. She's my best friend, and she's just hilarious and keeps me laughing all the time. So I'm glad y'all got to meet her. Her name is Briley. If you go to that Huntsville State Park video, she and my son-in-law are in that video. So they've been camping with us a few times, but they're kind of at different stages of life, and you know, that's the way it goes when you have adult kids. But in that Huntsville video, so go check that out. I like to cook my tortillas all at once. I just flip them. See how big they are? You really don't need anything with them. Put a little cheese on the top. Ready to eat.
Amazing.
Amazing. Or know someone that lost. Oh no, they were just there.
The whole bike rack came off.
It looks like ours.
Yeah, they're both our bikes. Is anybody missing any e-bikes?
David saw that on Facebook. Isn't that crazy?
That's the exact same bikes we have.
Exact.
Looks like the whole rack fell off on the highway.
Imagine getting to where you're going and you don't have your bike. Wow.
Good morning, y'all.
Good morning.
We had a lot of rain. Our campsite is flooded, and a cold front came in. Texas definitely needed some rain, so I'm all for it, and I'm glad we're not sleeping in a tent.
Yeah. We're gonna sit down and watch one of our favorite YouTubers and enjoy the morning.
Now that we've been here at our cabin for almost a week, there's one thing that becomes an issue.
Very fun one. Thank you so much for being here, and don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't. I post new videos every Sunday. Now, let's head right into the video.
Good morning. We're gonna make breakfast, and this morning is gonna be a delicious breakfast that I have been obsessed with for an entire week. I have this cranberry pistachio bread, and we're gonna take this, toast it, and we're going to put peanut butter and banana on it, and it is amazing. And you can take bread right out of the freezer, toast it, and it tastes fresh. So that's what I do. Look at this bread. This is from H-E-B. It's a pistachio cranberry bread. I mean, it's beautiful.
Right here we have some cypress trees. Bald cypress. Have you seen Uranus?
This is the trail that goes to the observatory, the Houston Museum of Natural Science Observatory, and we've been trying to get into it. We were scheduled a couple of weeks ago, and due to the weather, it was canceled, so we'll show you that as soon as we're able to get a reservation and not have it canceled due to the weather. Yeah, so we can't wait to get here.
Here's the Houston Museum of Natural Science.
Yeah, the observatory.
The George Observatory.
Yeah, so you can walk from Brazos Bend State Park, or you can pull up to it and park on the other side, I do believe.
And cold front, which is always welcomed. I'll take as much cold as we can get.
Oh yeah. This is what makes Brazos Bend so special, are these trees. They are hundreds of years old, and they're absolutely beautiful.
You don't often see an oak tree with a fern. Most of the time you see the moss. I've never really noticed one with fern before. But like I say, because of the weather we've been having in the last day or so, I think the ferns have popped out and it's really beautiful.
Incredible.
In the end, we will only conserve only what we love. We will love only what we understand. And we will understand only what we are taught.
That's beautiful.
Amen. If you look at this up close, We got an owl. Some kind of rat. Over here, I'm not sure what that is. We got some deer. We got a rabbit over here. I can see some turtles and some snakes.
Alligator.
And some blue. That could be a herring of some type. We got some gators. Some armadillos. And I think way in the background you can see Yoda. Got a bird here.
Such a beautifully crafted piece of art.
It's bronze inset into a concrete
Yeah, tell us,
stump.
sign guy, what is this?
This is a concrete stump.
Okay.
It looks like a tree, but it's technically, or actually concrete. And this is all bronze. So somebody sculpted this out of clay.
It's amazing.
And then they made a cast and then poured bronze. And so this will last forever.
It's gorgeous. If you've ever thought about slowing things down, maybe this is your sign to try it, even if it's just for a weekend. And if you already have your own way of unplugging and resetting, we'd love to hear it. Thanks for spending this rainy weekend with us, and we'll see you on the next video.
Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Is that how you say it? Appetit or appetite?
Appetit.
Bon appetit.
No.
Bon appetit. I love pasta.
For breakfast, we're gonna have an egg. For breakfast, we're gonna have a mushroom and tomato scramble. It's gonna be amazing.
It's good enough. Cut.
Breathe in.